September 28th, Sunday. Coming back to Veradero, staying in a different hotel called Hotel Villa de Cuba, which is a older hotel, but a beautiful beach. And the hotel complex is big, even though they're very traditional, but at the same time they're very cool and well kept. I'm just sitting at the beach right now. It's a bit windy, 31 degrees. Did not go for a swim yet. It's just arriving, so just watching and listening to the wave and the storm, real relaxing. 我而家係9月28號星期日，第六次嚟呢個古巴啦，喺呢個好旅遊勝點嘅 Veradero。咁我而家 stay 喺間酒店叫做 Hotel de Villa de Cuba。咁呢間酒店雖然係老啲、舊啲，但係要好乾淨，嗰啲花園啊同埋海灘都好靚，影得好好。今日個風就大啲，31度，好陽光。啱啱我哋到埗冇幾耐，而家係大約4點鐘到嘅時間。傾個時涼水，而家享受人生。